Hello everybody, and thank you for joining this group. And this is where we have a chance to have a go for today, tomorrow and the next day to write some poems. You can put a piece of video here of yourself reading your poem if you like. You can put a photo of your poem. You can put the text of your poem in comments. Anything that suits you is great. You do not have to be good. That's how Mary Oliver began one of the greatest poems that she ever wrote and one of the most loved ones. Here is how Charles Bukowski began a poem. I'm going to alter one word. You've got to kiss a great many women, beautiful women, and write a few decent love poems. Oh, he goes on, and don't worry about age and our freshly arrived talents. Just drink more beer, more and more beer. And the point about this really is that you can start anywhere. I'll be back with another short video later on today in which I'll tell you what to do, basically, to start off. In the meanwhile, thank you for being here. I'm so much looking forward to doing this with you. It's Paul O'Mahony saying cheerio for the moment.